You're not even joking, are you?
No, he's not.
Oh,
He's
joking?
doing it, yeah, he's
wow.
Facebook Live.
Okay, then.
It's not Facebook Live, I'm just recording it.
I'll
I'll put it.
fine.
I'll upload it.
Oh, that's fine, thank you. Bless you.
Oh. Yeah, that's I thought she's played everybody's song.
Just close your eyes and then remember the thoughts you've locked away. When tomorrow comes, you wish you had today. And as we sit here alone, looking for a reason to go on, it's so clear that all we have now are our thoughts of yesterday. If you're still there when it's all over, I'm scared I'll have to say, when tomorrow comes, you wish you had today. And as we sit here alone, looking for a reason to go on, it's so clear that all we have now are our thoughts of yesterday. Well, maybe this could be the ending, with nothing left of you. 100 wishes wouldn't say I don't want to. And as we sit here alone, looking for... I've lost that now.
Keep going.
It's alright. And as we sit here alone, looking for a reason to go on, it's so clear that all we have now are our thoughts of yesterday. Dawn cracks the dark and it breaks the silence of my waking hours, and my heart beats license. For I hate the trees and I hate the flowers, and I hate the buildings and the way they tower over me. I get so frightened, no one else is frightened, only me. I can but see that the sun has risen through my window, my world and my home sweet prison. For I hate the trees and I hate the flowers, and I